All right, guys. Looks like we're recording. Say bye-bye, Mr. Psyduck. Bye-bye. Okay. All right, guys. We'll see here. Who can remember เราเรียนเกี่ยวกับอะไรอาทิตย์ที่แล้ว There's, I think, 3 Thai words. The magic words. การอะไร Or in English if you want. We can, I'll take the English word. Even better. I'll give you the Thai word. การปรับตัว ภาษาอังกฤษแปลว่าอะไร Mr. Tigger on bird microphone.
Adaptation.
Game mark. That's the word teacher was looking for. Adaptions. Okay. This การปรับตัว this it's not ability but the feature of living things สิ่งมีชีวิต to be able ทำได้ to change เปลี่ยน or การปรับตัว to change their body or how they think คิดอย่างไร or ทำอย่างไร so that they can survive, right? We call these things adaptations. Okay, they're things that will not all beenดี some of them บางเป็นไม่ดี but usually the animal will die, and so that adaptation does not go ไม่ใช่พันที่ลูก usually if an adaptation ปรับตัวเป็นดี the animal has more of a chance to survive, get its สิ่งชีวิต and to ผ่าน this ปรับตัว to loop, to give it to its children. Okay, and so the good adaptations keep on going and going and going, and the bad ones usually will die with the animal or plant even, right? We talked about adaptations in plants. So today, teacher just wants to help you with the homework. And I think last week, I want to apologize. ขอโทษ there was a problem มีปัญหากับ the recording video, and teacher's computer just beat eng. I lose the whole lesson. But right now, it looks like ไม่มีปัญหา that computer is recording, and hopefully it does not shut down, and I will be able to post today's video with the help on your okay. So this will be available for you. Sometimes even at my house the internet is meh. Okay. So let's get started. Okay, let's open our workbook. Our workbook, T14. Okay, which we were talking about last week. We were identifying adaptations and their function, หน้าที่. Okay, so we're just going to continue with this. And then there's one more exercise that we're going to do. So let me screen share first. Okay. So here we were on page 14. right? Yep, we did page 13 อาทิตย์ที่แล้ว. So I'll put this up here because we did this together last week. If anyone missed it, this was page 12. I think it should be นาที12. All right, this will be on YouTube, so you can go back and pause and get any answers you need. This was นาที13. We did together. ทำด้วยกัน. I lost the video, so I'll leave it up here for a second. You can go to YouTube. All right, but today we're going to be talking about page 16, all right, which is still talking about adaptations in animals. Okay. And so we have here the animal we're talking about here is the peacock. I think been nok yun. Okay. Beautiful bird, has very beautiful feathers. Okay. Is these beautiful feathers that we talked about. All right. Now we have to find the function of the beautiful feathers. The function being nati. Okay. So if we go back, I remember there was a part where we talked about this bird. Right here. Okay. And it says the peacock. Turned off. Nok yun, the peacock, Nok yun, has these beautiful feathers. Okay, well, there it is. We already looked. We found the adaptation. The adaptation being these beautiful feathers called Nok Suema. And now we want to know its function. What is the function? Okay. Now it says here that the feathers which open up bud is to attract a female. So these males, the puchai, have these beautiful feathers, and this is a adaptation for reproduction. And this we could say to attract. They say peahen, but we could also just call a mate. Okay, so the function of the peacock, we found it there. There's so many pages. Okay, was to, we'll zoom in here, was to attract a mate. That is the function of the beautiful feathers on a peacock, is to attract, or meaning to come close, or to get to come. All right, attract a mate. So our second animal here, because we got a lot to go through today, was a wolf. A wolf, we do not have the adaptation, ไม่มี adaptation เลย ไม่มีการปรับตัว but we have the function มี หน้าที่ which is to catch large prey. Okay, to catch large prey. So we want to know what adaptation, การปรับตัวอะไร ช่วย the wolf to get its food, to get อาหาร So let's go find the wolves. I know they're in here somewhere. So we got to open our student book and we go back looking for wolves. Actually, I think it was here. Yes. Okay, we do have one here. Okay. Which was, here's the wolf. Now the function, it says here, getting prey or catching prey, bewa mangan, to get ahan, to getting prey. And the adaptation, benarai, hunt in groups. Or if we go back and we look in your student book, I know there's a picture here somewhere. Here it is, the wolves. And here it is, wolves hunt in groups to help Choi catch large prey. So our answer, Kamto, Ben, hunt in groups. So the wolves hunt in groups. They UT agum to Choi to get ahan, to make sure they get their prey. So we can come back. Here we are. The adaptation, which we said was behavioral, เป็นเกี่ยวกับทำอย่างไร ไม่ใช่เกี่ยวกับร่างกาย but the adaptation was to hunt in groups. That's the adaptation. So the hunt in groups allows them to catch large prey. All right, Mr. Sam, the eagle, the eagle, which been a bird, been no. All right, its adaptation is strong, sharp talons. All right, strong, sharp talons. So let's go look for an eagle and its strong, sharp talons. Zoom out again. I think this was one of those ones too. From that list. Yes, it is. Here it is. Here's the eagle. Right here. All right. Now, if we look, we follow down. Here it is. So it says, has strong, sharp talons. Okay. There's the adaptation. We say, what's the function? The function, benarai, hold on to its prey. So the function nati of the strong, sharp talons been to hold on or get its prey. It's ahan. So let's go back and put it in. To hold on to its prey. Prey ben gin atrai. What it's going to eat. All right. We're moving along here. This ain't too bad. Now, we're going to talk about the zebra. We don't know the adaptation, ben gan praptuarai, but we have here, it says the function, nati, been to cut and grind leaves by my. So pretty much so it can dak, it's ahan. So what adaptation helps it to gin pak or gin put? Okay. So we know that zebras gin nia, they only gin put. They only eat vegetables or plants. So if we come back, I think this is also another one on the list. Oh, no, it's not. It's not here. Okay, but it's similar. Is this part of it? Herd of zebras. Nope, that's not the one. Even though it says zebras here, all right, we see zebras. Oh, okay, Naja Kamtop Uni. But it says some animals, such as elephants and zebras, live in groups. UT Goom says predators find it difficult to attack an animal. No, teacher, mo mahin anything you got by my. There's no by my in here, so kamto mayu. So let's go back, okay? We keep looking. Oh. Okay, well here's okay. I see zebras again. Here's some zebras, teeny. So I say, okay, herbivores such as cows and zebras. Oh, cut and grind leaves. Okay, I think we're here. So how do they do this? Me adaptation bap arai. So it says zebras have teeth, which help them cut and grind leaves. Ah, okay, so they're teeth. You could write just teeth. Ke kian teeth. Teacher ben okay got me. Or we can look and we say fan bap arai. Strong and flat teeth is the answer here. They have strong and flat teeth. So teeth chơi been okay, or strong and flat teeth been okay. So we can write strong and flat teeth. Strong and flat teeth is the adaptation and its function, nati benarai, to cut and grind leaves, to dak the baimai or dak the put so that they can gindai. All right. And the last one on page 96, been the Arctic fox. The Arctic fox. All right, my type fox, but fox has that C on S, right? It's a k gap s. My type just k. All right, we go fox. It's a fox. Okay, and it says that this Arctic fox is able, tamdai, to change, blien, its body color, langai ben si at arai, depending on the season. So whether been summer, been spring, been winter, the Arctic fox, blien, si dai, it can change its color. That's a pretty cool adaptation. All right, well, what's the function of this? Tamai blien si. Why does it change its color? Let's go find out. By Haju Tamai. I gotta find this Arctic fox though. Tini, Mime, eagle, wolf, peacock, giraffe, my. Okay, so we gotta go look for a fox then. Oh, Arctic fox, Tini. Okay. Able to change its fur color when the seasons change. Well, that's its adaptation, but tamai tamni. Okay. And it says we got someone, right? We might find it there, but let's see here. Let's go back here. So it says we call this camouflage. Okay, so it says this adaptation been known as camouflage. The Arctic fox me camouflage. what is its function? Camouflage tamarai. Okay, it says prevent means to stop, prevent a prey from being seen by predators. A predator เป็นสัตว์ that อยากกิน the Arctic fox. When the Arctic fox เปลี่ยน its sea, it ทำให้ยากกว่าสำหรับ the สัตว์มองเห็น he can't see him. He blends in. ทีนี้ he do คล้ายกัน the หิมะ so it blends in. And ทีนี้ he do คล้ายกันต้นไม้ or ดิน in the summer and makes them hard to see. So the camouflage เป็น the การปรับตัว and the camouflage ทำอะไร it's หน้าที่ prevent them from being seen by predators. So many pages. Oh, here we are. So write it in here. It says prevent them from being seen by predators. A predator is something that yaki, they want to eat. All right. So we have the peacock, which its adaptation been its beautiful feathers. The function, sum up the beautiful feathers, is to attract a mate so that it can tamlu, so it can make babies and keep on going. The wolf, it hunts in groups so that they can get ahan ben yaigwa, so they can get bigger animals, sat ben yaigwa. The eagle has strong and sharp talons, or its feet, its tao. And this is so that it can hold on to its prey, its ahan. The zebra has strong canine and flat teeth. Right, its adaptation and the function nati been so that it can cut that and grind that the baimai, the food that it eats, put. All right, by far the hardest one, Yakti Sud, was the Arctic fox, which can blien si langai. And this is to prevent, to stop Yud from the sat that yakin hin, the Arctic fox. It ben si klaigan, it's sin wet long. It's the same color as its environment. All right, this was Nati Sipsi. So let's move on to page Nati Sipha, which now we're talking about my type animals, but plants, put animal or plant adaptations. Okay. So our first one is the cactus, which has a thick stem, thick on, fat, thick stem. All right, that's the adaptation, the gan prap to us. Well, what's the function nati sum up the thick stem? So we go look for the cactus. In our student books, we go look for the cactus. Oh, there's a cactus. Oh, okay. I know somewhere in here. So here we talk about roots, high roots. We don't want roots spread over the surface to absorb so much water as possible. Oh, cactus plants have thick stems. Here we go. Now, why do they have thick stems? Oh, they store water. They get ahan. They may not need that water. My jambin nam dani, but they can keep it. Get t the stem. So the stem boom, it swells and makes the plant bigger, and they can use the water chai nam when they jambin nam. So the thick stems, gip nam, they store water. They store water. All right. Our next one, ต่อไป are the mangrove trees. Now, they have an adaptation that we don't know, my Ruben Arai, but we know its function. It's nati, been to obtain, direct oxygen from the air. Okay. So let's go look at the mangrove trees. As we slowly go back, we look through our student book. Looking for mangrove. Oh, okay, teacher finds it. Mangrove trees. Teeny. All right. It's right here it says help obtain oxygen from the air. Okay, so what is this function? Ben, their aerial roots. Aerial, bewa, air, aga. So their roots, ut, the air. They oxidin, tan, the roots, ut, the din. Okay, like most plants. คือส่วนมากเลย the root ut ดินใช่ไหม these oxidin so they can ซึมซับ oxygen แล้วก็ carbon dioxide มาจาก the อากาศ because the ดินไม่มีเลยเป็น lone okay so these aerial roots aerial roots. All right, next we talked about morning glory. Pakbun. And we said the stem coils around rop. Coil just means to go in a circle, won't grow. Okay. Ani bep ni bin a coil. That's what a coil is. To coil means to by tiao rock something in a circle, won't grow. So the stem coils around a support, whether it been a tree. So that's our support. They get onto this thorn or this sow, this post, and they coil around it, rop. so that they can. Why? What's this function? The nati samrapne. We can go back and look. Look for morning glory. No, 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 no. Oh, here's morning glory. It says the stem of a morning glory plant coils around a fence. Okay, well, why? Tamai. It's got to be here somewhere. Okay. It all kind of says here adaptation samrap arai samrap obtaining sunlight dairap sang. So it says some plants have strong woody stems that hold plant leaves upright to get sunlight. Plants with weak stems have adaptations to help them get sunlight. All right. To get more sunlight. All this is about Dairap saying get sunlight. So we can go back here. The closer they are, UT the saying, the Dairap saying Makwa Dai. So it's all to get sunlight. Oh, we're gonna have time to probably start our next chapter. We're just gonna talk about it, but not really do much. There won't be any homework, my Ganban, most likely. I don't like to give homework, my Hai Ganban, when we just start a chapter. All right, our last one, Sutai, for poop, been the water. Zoom in here. High Canthia. It's weird. Hycanthia. Okay. Well, water Hycanthia. We might rule its adaptation, its ganraptua, but we do know its function, rule its nati. I forgot its loy. To float, loy tinam. Okay. Its function helps the plant, choy the put, loy tinam, to float on top of the water. Okay, so what arai choy the put tam hai bap ni. All right, let's go find out. And we go back looking through the chapter for a water hycanthia. Oh, here it is. It says water hycanthias float on water. Loy tinam, loy nam. Okay. So this says this helps them attain enough sunlight. Okay. But what is the adaptation that allows them to do this? Oh, here it is. Okay, it says plants to float on water. But what is this? Swollen leaf stalks contain air, or even air spaces. So that their leaves, their baimai, or the stalk, this the thorn that by turn the baimai, can get agat you nai dai, which tam hai the put bin bao gua nam. So therefore it can loy nam. It floats on water. because air ben bao gua nam. So it says swollen, boom, boom, leaf, stalks, the thorn that been a stalk, been a right, been cane, right? It's not, the bimai doesn't just connect straight to the plant. There's a little like can there, the can, then the bimai. That's the stalk. All right, and that stalk, gep, agat. There's some punti, a space where agat you die. So we're just going to take this whole thing here. Swollen leaf stalks contain air spaces. This is a hard one, yeah. Okay. So let's go back. Swollen leaf stalks contain air spaces. This was not an easy chapter, guys. This is a hard one. We can say swollen leaf stalks that contain air spaces. Contain. Swollen leaf stalks that contain air spaces. All right, so we have the cactus, which has a fat stem. The stem been one thick, and this is because it get nam ti the stem. Its function. The mangrove tree, its adaptation, it's gan braptua, has aerial roots. The root ok the din to ut agat, and this is to obtain oxygen and carbon dioxide from the air. Morning glories have stems that coil, right? They coil by rop, some sort of support, a sow or don mai or something, so that it can get more sunlight, to get sunlight. And then we have the water hycanthia, which can float. All right, it loy tinam, so that it can direct more sang as well. But how it does this is swollen boom. There's the stalks boom, which have this punti gap agat, the space of air, which tam hai the put bin bao gua nam, and so therefore they loy tinam. Okay, that was Nati Sipha. We got one more page to look at, but I want you guys to help me a little bit more on this one. This one's not that hard. All right. So Nati Sip Hok, all right. This is talking about seed dispersal, how put jack their mit, how plants spread out or disperse their seeds. Okay. So all we have to do is look at the met bap arai, the rubber seed, the shoria seed, the lotus seed, the burdock seed, the angisana seed, and the rambutan seed. Okay? And we're going to put them in one of these groups, these sigum. Are they dispersed? Jack up loam, the wind? Are they dispersed by the seed splitting or boot? All right. Or are they dispersed by animals that magin the palamai, and then they would key the met, or they just teen the palamai or teen the met? And then we have dispersed by water. by Nam. Okay, so our first one is rubber. Right here, the rubber seed. Now, can anyone remember จำได้ไหม how a ต้น rubber แจกเม็ดอย่างไร Oh, we were supposed to do this, but we didn't. So here's the rubber fruit. We have the rubber right here, rubber. Rubber. The rubber trees are disperse their seeds. Rubber trees right there, pea plants, by explosion. Explosion, boot. When the seed pods are ripe, they split open. They bud. Okay, so there's this little container, this grom that the met unite, and once the seed been สุกแล้ว the grom just boot, it open up, or boot, it explodes open, it cracks open. All right, so rubber seeds are dispersed by splitting of the fruit. So we can write rubber seed teeny. All right, next is our sharia seed. Can anyone help me ช่วยผมได้ไหม I think that is a no. Sharia, we got to find Sharia first. Burdock, cockleburr, lotus. Oh, there's Sharia seeds right there. Sharia seeds. How are Sharia seeds? Seeds are on the same page here, dispersed by wind, loam. And we can see that from their design, their shape, their langai. ดูคล้ายกัน a helicopter. So it spins when it falls, the mid tok, it spins, which it tok ช้าเลย and allows ทำให้ the loam ไปเที่ยว the mid, forces the seed to move away from the tree. So wind. Sharia seeds by wind, loam. Shorea. Sharia seeds. Next, lotus seed. Anyone, please, cry it out. The lotus. Boa. The met. Jack Yanrai. Disperse Yanrai. What do you think? Where does a lotus live? The lotus, dog, lotus, unite.
อยู่อยู่ช่องที่สี่
Dog boa unite.
ดอกบัวอยู่ด้านล่างขวาครับ
Yeah, but where do you find it? Jernai. Mm-hmm.
This also by water.
Yes, very good there, Mr. Tiger. we find the lotus flower, tini, always lives in water. We find dog lotus utinam. They live in water. So just makes sense, right? เข้าใจเลย that they use ชายน้ำ to jack their เม็ดด้วย they live in water, so they might as well use the water. Very good. So the lotus flower uses dispersal by water. The lotus seed. Boop, boop. Now we got the burdock seed. Okay, the burdock. I think teacher already said it. I saw it, so we'll go to it. This is a hard one. We don't know what a burdock is, but we can use our books. China Sudai. All right, we go look in our books for burdock. Oh, there's burdock. Right there. That's a crazy looking seed. Oh, we talked about this hook and thorn. Right? So that they can attach themselves or unite, corn or sat. Right? They use animals to carry the seeds away from their parent plants, the pupakon. So they get onto the corn sat, right? And onto the fur or hair of animals, or even on humans. They use your gangang or your corn if me gangang kan sao. Ka sao. Right? San. Sorry. Ka san. So they'll use your hair or your clothes, your supa, to use this hook or spine. All right. So they don't use wind, my chai lom. They don't boot. They don't explode, la boot. They don't chai nam. They use animals. So the burdock seed. Burdock. Burdock seed. All right. Move on the ansana seed. So I don't even know what this is. Oh, let's go look for it. We just look for this word right here. It's like ansana. Did I skip it? Lotus, burdock, cocoberry, mango, guava, pea pod, rubber fruit. Oh, no, here it is right here. All right, well, it's here with the shoria seed and the dandelion seed. Then all we already said, chai loam. They use the wind, chai loam. So we can just come back here. Oh, we might not even have time, actually. I'll talk about it real fast. So they use the wind. Honey. And then our last one is the rambutan. Rambutan seed. Was it anywhere in here? I don't even know. We might have to think of Don Kit Gilgapni. Mango, guava. Are they in here? Okay, it doesn't look like it's in here, but I'm pretty sure teacher knows the answer. So let's go back and we got to think about this one, Kit Ang, because this one's not in the book. So I want you guys, Yakun, to Kit Gilgatne. Here we are. We have the rambutan. No. All right. Mit no. How do you think Kun Kit Yan Rai, the rambutan Jack its Met Yan Rai?
Yes, proto by animal.
Oh, gain mark, Mr. Tigger. Tamai, why do you think this? Tamai Kitney. Rambutan Benarai.
เงาะ
ใช่ but
เป็น
คุณทำอะไรกับ rambutan
กิน eat
Yin. We eat them. They're delicious. At Roy. They're delicious for a reason. So the ton rambutan yak sat gin and then just tin the mit. Very good. Excellent. Excellent job, Mr. Tigger. The rambutan is dispersed by animals. They've adapted to be eroy, yummy, delicious. And so therefore sat yakin, and when sat yakin, they gin the nua. They like the nua, but they don't care my sonjai gyo got the met. And so if the met been toyai, they'll just team the met. And if the met been leg, the palamai ni met yut mak loy, but been leg, the sat will just gin and then it board key and off the met anyways. It just jacked the met. So these fruits, these palamai that been at roy chai sat sanap to jack met. Okay, that was good. So นาที15อะไรครับ I heard someone ได้ยินคนพูดอะไรครับ Teacher, sorry. Okay. All right. So that's it. That's chapter T song number 2. We got a couple of minutes. Hanati. That teacher's just gonna kind of do an introduction to chapter T-Sam, okay? Which we kind of talked about some of it already, but this time we're gonna focus on human beings. Mai chai, sat, and put, and everything, okay? We're gonna talk about how humans, corn, chai, their scene with long. What we can get ได้รับอะไร and how we can ช่วยกัน and how we อยู่ที่ด้วยกัน how we can live together. Okay, we've talked about our environment a little bit, right, in chapter Tinun. I wish I could go oh my god, Hasib, Sisib, Bed. No, I can't go all the way back. So chapter 1, chapter Tinun, we talked about just our environment, our scene wet long in general, right? How we interact, pati sampan, or interact with our environment and other living things, sin mi chiwit, that you are scene wet long doigan, insects and birds and cats and dogs, right?
cats and dog
Yeah, cats and dogs. All right. But now we're going to specifically talk about just us and how we can benefit, which benefit makes just ทำให้อยู่สะดวกกว่าง่ายกว่า makes things better ดีกว่า and easier. Okay. how we use some resources con that we do gan tin our sin wet lawn, like fuels, naman, and some other renewable resources like wood and rocks and crystals and diamonds. How we hurt Jip our sin wet lawn, we cause harm or destroy dak le, and how we can learn Lian Majakne to tam dikwa, to take better care, to pilian our sin wet lawn dikwa, right? Because even from your parents to you, eventually, kun najak mi look, maybe, you know what, exit high, exit B, who knows, right? That you want your kids, yak look kon kun, to มีสิ่งแวดล้อมเป็นดีมากเป็นสุขภาพดีไม่ใช่เป็นอันตรายสำหรับลูกของคุณ so we have to think about these problems มีปัญหากับ our สิ่งแวดล้อม and how to fix สงกัน right so we're just talking about how we mostly เราปฏิสัมพันธ์กับ our สิ่งแวดล้อม right instead of talking about just สิ่งมีชีวิตเฉยๆso chapter 3 is kind of an interesting chapter. Okay. So we're going to describe atibai. I think I hear it right. We're going to describe atibai, how humans benefit, right, in many ways from our environment. We're going to be able to describe atibai, describe how humans harm tam mighty or tam jip tune our สิ่งแวดล้อม how we hurt our environment and we can talk about คุยกันเกี่ยวกับ how we can พิเลียนour สิ่งแวดล้อมดีกว่า how we can take better care of our environment. All right, we'll start this next week. Okay, Mike? Let me come back to this meeting here.
Teacher.
Yeah, teacher's back. All right. So, everyone able to fill in your workbook, Mike? All right, which one? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, we ทำ workbook กับครูเจฟไหมใช่ไหม
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So what I need you guys to do then, if you did it now, okay, you can ทำถ่ายรูปเกี่ยวกับ
Okay.
your workbook นาที I think what was it 14 15 16 3 นะ
Okay.
and
Okay.
สองที่ครูนาเดียโอเคไหม
โอเคค่ะ
ใช่ส่งนาเดียใช่ไหมครับ
ถ่ายส่งครูนาเดียใช่ไหมคะ
Try after you watch this on YouTube นอกเรียน that ไม่เรียนตอนนี้ when you do ที่ YouTube ทำ your workbook and then ทำเหมือนกันทำถ่ายรูป and สอนที่ครูนาเดีย okay all right guys
Okay.
next week อาทิตย์หน้า we'll start to learn เกี่ยวกับ how we ปฏิสัมพันธ์ or สัมพันธ์กับ our สิ่งแวดล้อมเข้าใจไหม
เข้าใจ
how we interact with our environment. All right, guys. I want you guys to have a good weekend. All right. Me one sawatiti. All right. If you guys got any homework, me gan ban.